Hello and welcome to Nerve Shack. I'm Tinkering Taylor. I hope you're all well. I've got a video here I've been working on with a Murry lawnmower. I've been on it for a while and I've completed it now. And I'll show you some clips of what I was going through, but there won't be that many, and I'll show you the finished project at the end. But first of all, I need to do a mail call and say a few thank yous. I've had these a little while now, but I've really sat down and started doing them shout outs. So I'll make a start. This gentleman, I like his video footage. He does a lot of different things like myself. He does all in the garage, repairs, ride on mowers. He's got a lovely little tractor with a loader and that on. Excellent. And he's good. It's good video footage. Now all these guys I have here, they have got video channels. I will put the links in the description down below, and I'll also put their logo just up here on the video. But this first one is Mike, and he sent us two, and there's Grampy's garage. I want to say Grampy's workshop instead. And no, like I say, he does good content. And if you haven't subscribed to him, pop over, check him out. Handy bloke to know. He does give you a lot of tips. And subscribe to him and say hello. Just say I sent him over to you. So Mike, thank you very much for that. And the next one is the Missouri old timer. Now this guy specialises in peeing, and Vernon, thank you very much for your sticker, much appreciated for this. Vernon's the same, Grampy's workshop. He does tinkering on with all different things, and like I say, pop over, subscribe to them, help their little channels out, and to make you welcome. They put out good footage, video footage. Thanks, Vernon. This one, I still put my glasses on and I still can't pronounce it. Heterogeneity Rocks. And his name is Jason. So Jason, thank you very much for your sticker, and he does put good videos out as well, and he will be in the description down below like all the others, and I'll put his logo sticker up on this corner here. But Jason, much appreciated, thank you very much, and good luck with your channels. And the two I've got here is updated ones from a lovely guy. He's a local policeman to his community where he is, and I want to say thank you very much, Dave, and that's it. The Lawnmower Detective. It's donor time. Much appreciated for the update. Also, I'd like to just say I don't have a sticker board, is because for putting it into my garage here, my garage floods, it gets damp. So I've got some lovely stickers from some lovely YouTubers, and I don't want to spoil them. So I have them in a box in the house, and I know people has them up hanging up, but I don't want to destroy them. They are nice, they are good, and one day if I get this place watertight, I'll have a board up. But what we'll do is we'll get on with this video. Enough blabbering on for me, and I hope you enjoy it. Remember, click the like button, click the sub button, and ring the little bell, and you'll get all notifications. Because I see there's a lot of people watching my videos but they're not subscribed, and which is a shame, but hey ho, it's up to your own preference of what you want to watch. But much appreciated for this. Let's get on with the video. Hello there. Yeah, this is going to be my second project. Yeah, like I say, it's a 1985 Murry, 5 horsepower, 22 inch. No. What I want to do is take the engine off. Was a runner, a good runner. It's never been used for a long time. It's been just stand outside. So I'm going to take the engine off. Put that to the side for now because there's problems with the drive on it. Now this one has a 3-speed gearbox on it, 3 gears on it, and I think with this one the gearbox has had it. It was struggling before, so it may, if I can just get it to drive in 1 gear, I will do it. But we'll make a start by stripping it down and getting it ready to be looked at. So what we have got here, it's the Murry 5 horsepower, 22 inch cut, 3-speed. Now I've just checked it. It has got a spark on it, so that's the main thing, but the back drive is seized. Won't move back or forward. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put you on the stand and I'm going to start stripping it down. So let's get down and dirty, as Mick says. And I've got all the deck all rubbed down, and I've given it a coat of Vactan, and the paint that was on it, I used heavy duty paint stripper, power strip. That's the Vactan, very good. And Martin Butler, watched a few of his videos using it, the stripper and the Vactan, and I was impressed, so I got some. Thanks Martin for showing them. Hello friends, Tinker and Taylor. This has been my project over the last few months, and I want to show you running. I've got my little cameraman helping us out. You better make a good job of it.
Well.
Have a bit walk around it, John. Have a bit walk around it. So what it's had is all the body stripped down, engine cleaned, a new seal in the bottom, a new boss, well, second-hand boss. It's also what happened all this rotted out, this metal here, so it's all been renewed. But no, that's it's been a while. Got new, second-hand new handlebars. So what we're going to do now, we're going to give it a go and see if we can cut something with it.
Hello friends, I just want to come in here just to explain the drive wasn't quite set right, so if you see us working on this side, I'm adjusting the drive on it. And after hearing this running, I think we require to want a few more revs. It's not quite blowing the bag up the way it should be. But it sounded good. Yeah, you'll see us in a minute now. That's it. It's a little bit sticky in second. It's not quite set right for second gear.
So guys, that's it. All complete. Another lawnmower. I put a new transfer on the front as well, a sticker. But do it about yourselves, I'm happy with it. Like I say, it's been a while. But thank you very much for if you watch this. And remember, put the thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the little bell so you get all notifications. And I will put all the links in for the stickers I got at the beginning of the video. So I hope you like this one. Thanks very much. Ta-da for now.